So the date that the nursing forms will be coming out is maybe that can help you gain admission. Most of you think that admission is just about paying money and someone will do protocol for you to be able to go to school. No, it doesn't really happen that way, but in some situations it happens that way. So you just need to follow me tightly. I'll be giving you guidelines on interview questions and answers, some samples, and some of the things that goes on out there, and you can prepare yourself very well towards the 2025 admission so that you can gain admission to school. Now we're going to talk about the 2025 nursing forms. Everything that you're supposed to know is right here. What you just need to do is to hit on the subscribe button, like this video, and share for others to also get to watch. But then I want to ask you, which course exactly do you want to offer in the college? But then let's hit straight on talking about the 2025 nursing forms. When exactly, which month is it coming? And I'm going to update you on that so that you can get ready, get prepared, get your money ready, so that immediately the forms are out, then you will go and then buy the forms and fill. But then I'll be giving you some advices along this so that you will know what to do when the forms are released. First of all, something I've been going online and I need to update you before we talk about this thing. Anytime I go to Facebook, I've been seeing most people saying there is a vacancy in some schools, nursing schools, that if you need admission, you should contact them and they'll give you a number so that if you chat them, they will tell you that, yes, we have a vacancy here in this nursing institution. Kindly pay this amount of money and we'll serve you a protocol for you to come and attend and start schooling as a nurse, and that is right for you. But then I need to make some clarifications on that fact to let you understand that right now, if someone calls you to tell you that this nursing institution is still admitting students, then it's a scam. There is no admission anywhere for you to go to any nursing institution in this country as far as nursing is concerned. I know those who just completed SHS, you are eager to go to school, you want to do nursing, you want to do midwifery, you want to go to the university or the college, because for the universities, I learned they are admitting, and then most of you applied for awaiting forms, and maybe by now you know your fate. You might have not gotten there, and right now you are planning to go to the college, offer nursing, or go to the teacher training college. But these are the circumstances. I want to let you understand that because of your interest in going to nursing school or going to the teacher training or to be trained as a nurse or a midwife, don't fall as a victim so that someone will tell you today, right now, that there is admission ongoing in this nursing institution. Kindly pay this amount of money and then we will admit you to our school. Don't fall as a victim, because you will be used as an scapegoat, because they are going to scam you vividly. And this is not small money that these people are requesting. Others will tell you that pay 3,000, others will tell you that pay 3,000, others will tell you that pay 4,000, others will tell you that pay 5,000, others will go to the extra mile to tell you that no, it's not easy to gain admission to nursing school, therefore pay 10,000. And then you'll be following those people thinking that they are legit. They are pure scammers. That is why this channel is right there for you, to let you understand some of the circumstances you will face as you are trying to go to the college or to the university. So don't fall as a victim. But then subscribing and staying tuned to this channel will help you get more insight of what you are supposed to know before you go to nursing school or you go to the university. Now, to come and talk about the nursing forms, pick month exactly this 2025 that you should be expecting the nursing form. I want to estimate, because every year that is how it is, and then you will know that at this period the nursing forms are likely to be released, and therefore I can get all things done before the forms are out. So the date that the nursing forms will be coming out is April-May. For this, I can assure you that April-May you should be expecting the nursing forms to be released online for you to go and buy the vouchers and start processing. This is because right now as we speak, student nurses and midwives are currently on vacation, and they will be reopening in February. And then every time they go to school, they spend about 4 months in school and come back home. And within that 4 months period, before the end of the semester, the nursing forms are supposed to come out for applicants or candidates to start applying. And therefore, by the time that they will be leaving for vacation, you might have been coming for your interviews. You understand? You will be coming for your interview, and that will be somewhere June, July, because they will give you a 1 month period or more than that for you to use and fill the forms. You understand? With that, I can assure you that April, May, you should be expecting nursing forms to be released online for you to go and purchase and start filling. And by now, you should be thinking, which school am I going to apply? Where am I going? And you have to make sure that all these things you know before you get into buying the forms. You don't need to go and buy the form and now be asking yourself questions. Where am I supposed to go? And most of you have been asking me, which nursing school should I apply? That I can't best tell for you. But then you might have to engage one or two. Most of you always have the problem that I want to go to the best nursing school in the country, the best nursing training college, and you have problems. You apply for 5 years and still you are not getting admission. What you just need to do is, a nursing school is a nursing school. The training is what matters. Most schools have gained fame, but they don't train us compared to some other schools, because it's not about the school you attend. It's about the degree or the diploma, the training. That is what is considered important. So April, May, you should be expecting that the nursing forms likely will be coming out then. Or if it happens to come before that period, that's good for you. But for now, I can assure you that April, May is the period you should be expecting the nursing forms to be released this 2025 for you to go and buy and start processing. So make yourself start thinking, where am I going to apply, which school? And then you'll be able to make your plans work towards this. So the interviews too are likely to start on June, July, because as I stated earlier, this goes in line with the academic calendar they use in the nursing training institutions, and that can serve as a guide for you to be able to predict at this period nursing forms will be out, and at this period interviews will be starting, and by this period then we will all come back to school. Ask yourself questions: which school am I supposed to go? Where do I have to apply? Make enquiries. Don't go and apply for highly competitive schools and then you end up not gaining admission, unless otherwise you have other means of gaining yourself an admission. And don't fall as a victim, because people will scam you, telling you that pay money and then we will give you admission, and at the end of the day you don't see anything like that. So you have to be careful. Following this channel will help you gain more insight about all these nursing protocol things, admissions and scams, so that you not fall as a victim. So to just summarize what I just said, I want you to get everything clear. I just said the 2025 nursing forms are likely to be released April, May, which you have to start preparing towards that. And last year the form was 200 Ghana cedis. This year we can best sell. Maybe you have to prepare something higher than that, maybe 250, or better still, it can remain 200 Ghana cedis. And I said the interviews are likely to be granted June, July. So you have to be preparing. This channel will also explain to you the interview questions that they used to ask. I'll be giving you samples, whatever they go through before the shortlisting, verification, and then the admission of students. What you need to do, and maybe that can help you gain admission. Most of you think that admission is just about paying money and someone will do protocol for you to be able to go to school. No, it doesn't really happen that way, but in some situations it happens that way. Others do protocol and others go by their own faith. God bless them with admission. So you just need to follow me tightly. I'll be giving you guidelines on interview questions and answers, some samples and some of the things that goes on out there, and you can prepare yourself very well towards the 2025 admission so that you can gain admission to school. And I also warn you about the scam. Don't fall as a victim. Others will come and tell you that there is admission ongoing in this school. Frankly speaking, we can gain you admission. They will give you some kind of proofs and some kind of fake documents to convince you to understand that yes, actually this is real, but it's a scam, because people always want to scam people any day, anytime at all. Just that you need to be vigilant and follow this channel. We'll discuss more. And then most of you too have been applying for about 5 years now, 3 years, 2 years, 7 years. Anytime you apply to school, you don't get admission. You ask yourself, why? Is it that I'm not intelligent enough? I don't perform well? Charlie, you are intelligent. You are doing good. I mean, you have good academic documents. But that's why I said you have to learn to understand that it's not highly competitive schools that is going to make you a nurse. No, you can go to any nursing school as far as it is confirmed and it is a government institution or a private institution in this country, which the government is aware of it. You can be trained as a nurse there, and then you can work in any institution, of course. the training matters and your performance in your final examination matters. So don't be deceived that you must go to the most special nursing training college in the country before you can be well trained as a nurse. Don't be deceived. So therefore, if the forms are out, forget about highly competitive institutions. Apply to some kind of schools that are not competitive. Even if you apply to other schools like where there are highly competitions, you can apply there, and also apply to some other minor schools that doesn't have much fame, where you are likely to be selected. You understand? Nobody can tell, but wherever you get admission is the right field. You just have to be, extra careful. You can apply 10 schools if you want, but make it private, make it a secret. Don't tell any of the institutions that you have applied more than 1 or 2. Just that you know what you're looking for. Maybe along the line you can get admission in any of these institutions. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Joy Ideas as introduced earlier. Kindly stay tuned, follow my channel tightly. I'll be breaking things down and let you get more insight about nursing, anything about university and anything about education. We'll be breaking things down and let you get more insights and gain more knowledge as you are preparing towards to go to school. This is Joy Ideas. My name is Richie Randy. Kindly subscribe, stay tuned, like this video, share for someone to also get watched, and that I'll be grateful of. Thank you.